Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and data. Charge the watch above 50% and complete a backup via your paired iPhone because you may need settings later. Once done, remove both bands and power the device off to avoid short circuits. Heat the screen perimeter gently with a heat gun at low heat to soften adhesive. Make sure to move continuously. Do not concentrate heat. Then use a thin pick to create an opening gap at the edge and insert a plastic pick to hold the seam while you work. Now you focus on separating and removing the display assembly. Once the pick holds the seam, pry slowly from one side to lift the screen just a few millimeters. You want access, not a full removal. Carefully peel back the display while watching for two ribbon connectors near the crown and underside. Release their retainers and disconnect. After the screen is free, move small components, microphone, speaker mesh, front sensor, onto the new screen, because reusing these avoids pairing issues and preserves sealing geometry. To finish, lay fresh adhesive strips around the case flange and align the replacement screen precisely. Use the crown and button cutouts as guides because alignment prevents pressure points. Reconnect the display and sensor ribbons, lock their retainers, then lower the screen and press evenly around the perimeter to seat the adhesive. Power on the watch and run tests. Touch responsiveness, screen brightness, heart rate sensor, microphone, and speaker. If the display flickers or touch fails, reseat connectors and clean contacts. Trapped debris or loose ribbons are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.